Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is the Hamkalan reviewer. Okay, today I finally got the IQOS 3.0. I got mine 2.4 plus to get it swapped, and very disappointed that I have been to a few places that currently are all out of stocks. I only managed to get the white one. The gold and the blue basically don't have to go and search for it. They are out of stocks. It's only available next week probably. And I got news that the door covers and then the caps are all only available for sale next week. Okay, so 下個禮拜先可以買啦嚇。So 我呢一擺攞係白色 white color. I cannot wait already. Tak boleh tahan already. So take the white color. And well, the fella in the Bangsa IQOS Authorized Center managed to convince me to take the white color, which is true. I can easily match any other color with the door cover, with the cap. I can match it with orange lah, red lah, gold lah, purple lah, pink lah, whatever I want lah. Okay, so basically I'm going to unbox this today, and I'm going to show you a bit on the quality. How does it look like as compared to the 2.4? Okay, I got them remove the plastic for me at the IQOS Care Center already, because they need to register the number and to teach me how to use. Basically, I already know how to use. Okay, this is the box. Okay, everybody is doing the unboxing, so yep. Okay, let me try once myself. Okay, this is with the serial number and everything. Oh, this one comes with a magnetic box. Okay, this is the set itself. Very nice white color, pearl white or matte white, whatever you call it. Okay. Okay. Yep. The first impression of this is very solid, very good. The quality is pretty good. Okay. This is the holder itself. Nice. Okay, the solid silver button. Yep. Let that sink in a little bit. Okay, it comes with of course your cleaning swabs, and then your cleaning tool. This one, how does it work? It's like this. Okay, this is your cleaning tool, which I will not be using much because I will be using the cotton swab more. And there you go. It comes with your charger. This apparently looks like fast charging. Also, I'd like to address another issue, is that some of the people have complained that the you can't use the pocket charger, or you can't use the car charger, or you can't use the power bank to charge your IQOS pocket charger. Just to manage your expectation a little bit, it is basically charging slower. Doesn't mean that it doesn't charge. If you want to charge it fast, you use the charger that comes in the box itself. Okay, and also for what I have understood, the IQOS is now like the iPhone, and the other brand called Little Plus is like the Huawei in Malaysia. So it's an iPhone versus an Huawei in Malaysia, the brand Apple versus Huawei. So let's see how it looks like when I first start it up. And let's see whether if there's any juice. Nope, it doesn't have any juice to charge it. Okay, it's charging. One thing good is that it won't fall off, and you can even charge it while the pocket charger is open like this. Okay, so you can see it's charging. Okay, you can even move it, it's turning. You can even see that it's charging. Alright, as the light is blinking here. Okay, and also apparently that it is able to charge 40 seconds faster than the 2.4 plus. So I am actually trying to see whether if it is charging faster or not. But initial impression is that the quality feels very good. It comes with a Usbc charger, hence the faster charging. Even the pocket chargers charge faster. Yep, the quality is very good comparing to the 2.4. Okay, one thing is also I chose black white. It's not only because it's the only stock left. One thing is also I saw on the in the branch itself, the IQOS care center itself, there's many space gray, there's many blue and gold. Apparently there's it's like a fingerprint magnet. You can actually capture fingerprint, but white color you don't have. But to be honest, it's easier to get dirty, so it's a good idea, probably a good idea for you to put a case, 買一個 case 裝落去咯，比較咩啲咯，比較好啲咯，比較安全啲咯。But other than that, quality wise is much smaller. It's very easy to put into your pocket if you are wearing jeans or if you are wearing short pants. Okay, so it's easier. Okay, so I will try to taste this and probably come back with another review on how to comparing it with the Leo Plus or comparing with the IQOS Multi. To be honest, I'm very tempted to buy the IQOS Multi. So yeah, we shall see the next video whether I have the IQOS Multi or not. I'll catch up with you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.